Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is. It's Cafecito time. And for today's Cafecito, I'm just here to give you the big announcement that everyone's been waiting for the Nespresso Machine Giveaway. So I don't have a review, I don't have a recipe, I just have the good news announcing who the winner is. But before I do, let me take a sip of my coffee. So yeah, first of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway. I loved reading your comments. Some of you have been wanting an espresso machine for a very long time, so you're excited to have the chance to win one. Some of you already have one, and I couldn't believe a lot of you wanted to win the machine to give it to somebody else. That really is awesome. You wanted to give it to your mom, to your sister, to somebody else that you know has been wanting one and for whatever reason maybe can't afford it, and you wanted to gift it to them. So that was so awesome to read. So like I said, yeah, I do have the winner, and just so you know, I did use the comment picker to choose a winner, so it wasn't random. I didn't choose the comment I like the best because that would probably be impossible. There were so many awesome comments, and thank you to everyone also for congratulating me on hitting 1,000. And the reason that hitting 1,000 is the reason it's important to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is that is the moment, or that's when you are eligible to be monetized and actually make a little money off of your YouTube videos. And just so you guys know, the machine, not this one, not my beast, but the one I'm giving away, I did purchase it. I've actually had it for several months. I bought it out of my own money, not money from YouTube, because like I said, I just got monetized. I haven't even gotten paid yet. I haven't received any money yet. It's still, building up, accruing. But anyways, thank you everyone. I really appreciate everyone entering, commenting, and I hope you continue to support. I know there's some people that only enter for giveaways and then unfollow. And you know what? That's fine, because I don't want to have people following me that don't love coffee, because that's what our community is about. Our community is about loving coffee and learning and, supporting each other. And if you have questions about coffee, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Or also make sure you follow me on Instagram, and you guys can actually get a little bit more content there and ask me more questions either in my post or DM. Some of you have sent me direct messages, and if I'm able to help you out, I for sure will answer you and help you out. So before I get to the big announcement, I did want to let you guys know that I actually have a confession to make. I have a confession to make. House of Cid YouTube channel is not my only YouTube channel. In fact, it's not my first YouTube channel.
Oh, wow.
My secret is that I actually have another YouTube channel. I started my very first YouTube channel in October of 2009. Yes, almost 11 years ago, I had a YouTube channel that went along with my blog at the time. But I didn't know anything about YouTube. I didn't know anything about making videos. My videos didn't even have thumbnails. I don't think I was ready, emotionally, mentally. I don't know. I didn't really stick with it. And it never went anywhere, and I just kind of forgot about it and let it go. But I decided that I actually am going to revive that channel, because now that I've been making YouTube videos about coffee, I remembered my passion that I had for when I was blogging about fashion, style, beauty, shopping. And I don't want to mix the channels and start doing that kind of stuff. So House of Cid will remain about coffee, recipes, reviews, coffee adventures, and maybe a little coffee travel down the line. But if you guys are interested, and if you've been following me for a while, either here or on Instagram, then you know what my beginnings were. So I am going to be making videos on hauls, fashion hauls, shopping hauls, style maybe. I don't know if I'm up to that yet, but vlogs, lifestyle things, just different things that I like that I want to make videos about. So if you're interested in any of those things, I'll leave the link to my channel. I have recorded a couple videos that will be going up soon. So go follow me over there. If you're interested, it's just going to be called Veronica Cid, my name, and we'll see what happens there. But like I said, if you're interested, go over there and check it out. And yeah, it'll be fun. We could have a little cafecito time here, and then we could have a little chit chat about fashion, beauty, and who knows what other stuff over there. But that's it. Just wanted to let you guys know that's my secret. I have 2 YouTube channels, and this is not my first one. So if you're interested, go catch me over there. Okay? Okay. Drum roll for the winner of the Nespresso Cities and Milk machine. The winner is, congratulations to If Curves Could Talk, Stephanie de la Torre. Congratulations. I'm so very excited for you to have the Nespresso machine. And I'm going to read the comment you wrote. I would love this because I have been wanting one, and as a sleep-deprived mama, she just had a little baby. This would help me so much, especially financially, saving me money, but also giving me life. Yes, girl, this coffee is going to give you life. It's going to be so wonderful, so delicious, so awesome. It's going to, help you get through the day with your little ones and your little baby. And I'm so excited. And I will be emailing you so we can, arrange the delivery, shipping, and all that fun stuff of the Nespresso machine. So, congratulations to Stephanie de la Torre. And also, you guys, I love doing giveaways. I'm a giver. I love doing giveaways. So I will be having more giveaways along the way, smaller giveaways, but I want to give away another machine. It's just awesome. So the next Nespresso machine giveaway will be when we hit 5,000 subs. Like I said, I paid for the machine myself, and I did it because I wanted to get the goal to 1,000. So when we get to 5,000 subscribers, I will do another machine giveaway. So spread the word and keep watching the videos so hopefully it won't take me 2 years to get to that 5,000 sub milestone. But yeah, congratulations, Stephanie. Thank you, everyone. I truly, truly appreciate everyone's time. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the notifications so you know when our videos are coming and when the next giveaway is coming up, whether it be another machine or just some other smaller coffee giveaway. And also, if you're interested in other videos about other stuff, go check out my other channel, and we'll go have some fun over there together. So thanks everyone for watching. Hopefully you are enjoying the videos and keep giving us those thumbs up. It really helps us. And the more my channel grows, hopefully a little bit more money I make, and I could give more giveaways and do more fun stuff with coffee, because you guys, making videos is a lot of work. But I'm up to the challenge to have 2 channels. And why not? I'm enjoying it. If I didn't enjoy it, I wouldn't be doing it. But I am. I'm enjoying it. I love it. So here I am. Okay, guys, that's it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.